Holiday party meal plan strategy for maintaining fitness goals. Feeling guilty about indulging at your family holiday party? Here is the perfect strategy to enjoy the feast without the guilt. First, prioritize protein. Load up on turkey or any other protein served. Protein is filling and helps prevent overeating on sides and desserts. Next, fill half of your plate with vegetables. Balance your plate with non-starchy vegetables like roasted Brussels sprouts, green beans, or salad. Stay active. Start the day with a workout or get moving after the meal. A brisk walk or family football game can help offset extra calories. Exercise portion control. Enjoy your favorite dishes, but practice portion control. Fill up on protein first to avoid overindulging. Don't skip meals. Avoid saving calories by skipping breakfast or lunch. This can lead to overeating later. Take control with a macro-friendly dish. Bring a dish that aligns with your goals, like a veggie-packed salad or mashed cauliflower. Remember, one meal won't make or break your progress. Consistency over time is what really counts, not perfection in every single moment. The holidays should be a time of fun rather than fear. Enjoy the good stuff without feeling bad. Stay on track with these tips and have a fitter week of holiday fun. Consistency is key, and that's something we can all be thankful for. Happy holidays to all.